This 2019 Forest River Wildwood FSX 260RT is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Rock Springs, Wyoming, 82901 and is offered for sale by First Choice RVs. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 28 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 4, stovetop burner, water heater, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, skylight, auxiliary battery, microwave, smoke detector, LP detector, spare tire kit, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Forest River Wildwood FSX 260RT is 4,728 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to First Choice RVs.